How to recover deleted messages on Android device. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily recover your messages on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. So you're going to have to go ahead and open your messages section first. And once you open it up, you can see all of these options. So what you're going to have to do next is simply tap on the settings icon or your profile icon and then go to message settings. So if you have an option to back up your messages from here, you can do that. Or if you're using Google Messages, it will be backed up automatically. So you don't have to worry about that. What I'm going to do next is simply go ahead and open my settings. Then find the option called Backup and Restore. Tap on the account and backup and then click on Restore Data. Once you click on it, choose your device and you'll see all of these messages are available for your restore. So you can easily restore these messages as well as your contacts and call history. So that's how you basically back up your data and then restore it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.